Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can turn off notifications in Frollo application using your smartphone. First things first, launch open the Frollo app on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you're inside the dashboard logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right corner. And from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your system notification tab where you need to click notification and then toggle off the button right next to allow notifications, and this will turn off all the notification you may receive from the application. So that's how you can easily turn off notification setting on Frollo. Now you'll no longer get pop-ups or push alerts on your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.